Hello, my name is Alan Matei with Odyssey Accounting, and I wanted to introduce myself, introduce our firm, and to really help you understand how we're different from other accounting firms. What we focus on is working with businesses, working with business owners. First of all, we want to, ensure that you have the clarity over your business so you know where your business stands at all times. So we'll do your bookkeeping, right? This allows also for you to have a much smoother process when it comes to tax time. Now, of course, we'll also do your tax return, whether we have to do your business tax return, individual, sometimes it's within the same individual tax return. We'll also make sure to take care of anyone else in your household that needs a tax return filed so that everything is really, we're taking care of everything, right, within your close family and your business. So, but beyond that, how we're really different is that it's not just about the tax return at the end of the year. Because if you wait until the end of the year, it's going to be too late. There's little that you can do in order to lower that tax liability. And that's our focus as being proactive accountants, is to help you as well with tax planning before the end of the year so that you can kind of change your situation in order to lower that tax liability. So we focus, there are some certain things that you can do as a business, within your business, in order to make that happen. But even beyond your business, there are things that you can do. There are several things, but I'll give you an example. For business, or for perhaps some business ideas that you have, maybe you want to start a different business, or you have some plans for your current business, or some changes that you'd like to make. The entity that you choose can really start making a difference in terms of how much tax you're paying. So we pay attention to that, and we help you with choosing the right entities and the right structures in order to impact your taxes at the end of the day, and impact your bottom line, how much you're taking home at the end of the day, because it's really not how much you make, it's how much you get to keep, right? So another is, we consider retirement. So a lot of the times with retirement, it's not about, it's not that you're not going to pay tax, but you are deferring those taxes and you're planning for retirement at the same time. So that's another area that we look at. But even beyond that, there are some great strategies out there. We've had clients that are, have been involved in this, which is real estate investing, for example, just to give you an example, right? Because what we want to do is, you're making profit off of whatever you choose to invest on or plan to invest on, and you're realizing that you're getting some cash flow out of that. However, what we want to show the IRS is a little different, right? And this is totally legal, this is totally above board, but essentially we, in many cases, we can show a loss to the IRS while you're still profitable yourself, but you're showing a paper loss, what you call a paper loss. And now there's some specific steps there that need to be in place in order for it to get the full benefit of that. In order to get the most tax advantages out of showing that paper loss. But if things work out, then it can really, really make a huge impact, and in many cases even eliminate tax liability. So that's how we differentiate ourselves from other accounting firms. We really try to be proactive and be there by your side, help you be clear on where your business stands, while at the same time being hyper focused on that tax liability, how to reduce that, and how to, help your business succeed. So I'd really like to meet your business, and see if we can have some common ground. At the very least, we can have a conversation and see if there's anything that I could help you with, or if there's anything that you might be looking at that you have questions on. So you can take a look below. My contact information is there. You can give me a call. You can even schedule a call. There should be a link below the video for you to schedule something, and we can go from there. So I'm pleased to meet you, and hope to connect with you soon. Again, my name is Alan Matei with Odyssey Accounting. Thank you.